40 years of age, carpenter by trade. Um, company owner now for 6 years. In March, that was 6 year. We run a carpentry contracting business in Devon, covering the southwest, dominantly at new build type thing, and uh, mostly new build, but breaking into the commercial sector. I chose coaching because when I started the company, I had a lot of dreams that I wanted to turn into goals, really, and I never seemed to have got any closer towards them, personal and business. And as time has gone on, I've realised that having the coaching would allow me the opportunity to achieve those goals. So I joined Action Coach, the hope that those could be met. That's the main reason, really. It's absolutely fantastic. It really has. I think going back to the dreams thing, everybody's got dreams and aspirations, but whether they stay as dreams or they actually become, you live your dreams, is where you get the chance to change those dreams into goals by putting planning in place. And that's what Action Coach has done for me, by being able to build the team I've now got around me to sell the business and give me more time. Yeah, it's been absolutely great. Again, at first it was a strange place to be because it's something I've never experienced before, and many other business owners that I'd spoken to. So having a community that I could, talk to, network with, and experience and coaching of yourself, again, that's helped me to put systems in place and to work myself out of where I probably would have just sort of hunkered down, really, and tried to ride it out. So instead of actually put goals in place to achieve targets that I would never have thought of. In a short space of time, I've managed to employ a personal assistant, which has helped with the admin task. We've got the operations manual in place, all that we will work on. A marketing strategy, which I've used an external company for. Redesign the website. Another one's being put in place to reflect the marketing strategy. An IT company that we now use to allow us to work remotely and better office software systems. Yeah, quite a lot. And leadership skills for myself, really, personal development, just being in touch with the community and the books that I'm now reading and other things that I pick up from other business owners is fantastic. Yeah, Steve, absolutely fantastic. I can't praise Steve enough in the sense that doors that have opened for me, Steve coaching and making me accountable for what I do in my business, leaps and bounds, and I'm really looking forward. I would seriously suggest that you take a moment to sit back and think about what it is you want ultimately, what it is you would like your life to be, and contact Action Coach, because Action Coach will allow you to unlock that potential by giving you systems and planning to achieve those goals. So I would definitely say without doubt try it. Well, it's good fun other than that, really. I think it's nice to be able to have other business owners to communicate with, and the learning potential and the enjoyment factor as well. It's really wholesome stuff. Great for your business. Great for yourself. Can't complain. You're welcome. Thanks.